learners. Welcome to Trade Tactics. In today's video, I'll tell you about the best MACD trading strategy, which, if you learn, can help you generate significant profits. MACD is a very famous indicator used by traders. However, many people make one mistake, and that is using MACD as a standalone tool. Since MACD continuously gives fake signals in a ranging market, it leads to heavy losses. So before starting the video, let me first describe the MACD bullish crossover and bearish crossover. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. MACD primarily consists of two lines, the MACD line and the signal line. These two lines give buy and sell signals through crossovers. When the MACD line crosses the signal line from below to above, under the baseline, it is called a bullish crossover, meaning it's a buy signal. And when the MACD line crosses the signal line from above to below above the baseline, it is called a bearish crossover, meaning it's a sell signal. If you've understood this so far, let's move on to the strategy. For our strategy, we'll combine MACD with the 200 exponential moving average. Strategy 1. This strategy is very simple. In this strategy, we will use the 200 moving average as support and resistance. When the 200 exponential moving average is above the price, it acts as resistance, and when it is below the price, it acts as support. Now let's understand this strategy with the help of examples. Here you can see the moving average is above the price, meaning it is currently acting as resistance. Next, you can see that the stock price has come close to the moving average at this point. From here, the stock price might go down. To confirm, you need to wait for a bearish crossover in the MACD. If a bearish crossover occurs above the zero line in MACD and the stock price is still below the moving average, you can sell here. Now let's look at another example. Here, you can see the moving average is below the price or candle, meaning it is acting as support. Next, you can see the stock price has come close to the moving average at this point. From here, the stock price might move upward. To confirm, you need to wait for a bullish crossover in the MACD. If a bullish crossover occurs below the zero line in MACD and the candle or price is still above the moving average, you can buy here. Strategy 2. Combining MACD with price action. Now for our next strategy, we will combine MACD with price action. If here you can see a downtrend, the stock is creating lower lows and lower highs as it moves downward. Since this is a downtrend, we'll draw a trend line above the price. You'll notice that at this level, the price gets rejected multiple times and goes downward. So we've drawn a trend line at this level. Next, at this point, you'll see a bullish crossover in the MACD. However, you should not take a trade immediately. You need to wait for the trend line to break. Next, at this point, a green candle breaks the trend line. So, if the high of this green candle is broken the next day, you can buy here. Now let's look at another example. Here, you can see the stock is in an uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows as it moves upward. Since this is an uptrend, we'll draw a trend line below the price. Next, at this point, you'll see a bearish crossover in the MACD. However, you should not take a trade immediately. You need to wait for the trend line to break. Next, at this point, you'll see a red candle breaking the trend line. So, if any candle breaks the low of this red candle the next day, you can sell here. Friends, some of you might wonder why other creators make 10 to 20 minute videos, but mine are only 4 to 5 minutes long. Why is that? The answer is simple. If you notice, the strategy itself takes just 3 to 4 minutes. The rest is just talk. I try to ensure that your time is not wasted, so I focus on explaining the key points and ending the video quickly. So, hopefully, you got some information from this video. If you found the video informative, please like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, best of luck with your trading journey.